Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Saman Siddiqui, Associate Professor Zoology from Bharati University, and my today's topic is research methodology definition, or in other words we can say definition of research methodology. There are different definitions of research methodology. So from my side, research methodology. Actually, in this lecture, you are going to learn about the basic understanding of research methodology. Research methodology is a subject. So, we can say you are going to or we are going to learn about the basic understanding of research methodology subject. Okay, what are the different types of research? What are the different types of classification of research? And then finally, we are going to learn about the research process, mainly composed of 6 processes. So that is what we are going to learn in today's lecture. Okay. So let's start with this definition of research methodology. First we will have to know what is research methodology. That is definition. Definition से हमें ये पता चलेगा कि research methodology actual में है क्या. So the first definition of research methodology, it is basically specific scientific procedure or techniques usually used to identifying and selecting, processing and analyzing any information about that we need for the particular topic selected from ourselves. ठीक है, जो हमारा particular topic है. Most important research methodology follows scientific investigation principle. So here a question arises, what is scientific investigation principle? So I am able to make you all know about scientific investigation principle. Okay. Although most of us have heard at some times in our career, in many times in our careers, that research must be carried out according to scientific method. Actually, there is no single scientific method. The term is usually used to mean systemic approach to solving a problem in science, specific in science. Okay, so there are 3 types of investigations or methods or types. So first one is observation table, second one is experimental method, and the third one is survey method. तो ये छोटे छोटे words हैं. Observation table, you will have to make the observation table, then you will have to do experiment in different methods, and then survey. Okay, so if I explain what is identification, that means you have to identify the problem already exists or it is going to come to the future, may or may not be. In all case, you have to identify your topic, your research area very clearly. Okay, this is the first step. This is called identification. So the first step or first definition ingredient is identification. Then what we will have to do after identification? The second ingredient after identification is collection of data. So second is collection. It means that the evidence or sample, you can consider them in the form of data, or data are the many different types, or we can say samples. Okay? Then you have to analyze to find the result or to get the result in a good manner. Okay? So analyze is the third step. Analyze is the third step. After collection of data, you will have to analyze the data. Third step, third part of definition. In other words, we can say, and then you just try to disseminate or use this information in order to make your decision or try to solve issue or any challenges or any problem to get your results. So this is how we consider research methodology. So first we are trying to identify a particular issue. We are trying to identify a particular issue, or maybe you can consider as your topic of research. है ना? Then we are trying to collect the information and the data or the samples in order to provide an evidence to solve. ठीक है? क्या होता है, हमें एविडेंस सैंपल कलेक्ट करना रहता है. दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर्स पार्टिकुलर्स होता है. ओके, तो पार्टिकुलर इशू और प्रॉब्लम्स, दैट how we do that, we will try to analyze the data which are collected, then we are trying to analyze and then try to use that information in meaningful way to get your results. Okay, so first step is identification, next one is collection, and third one is analysis. Now this is actually research methodology. Now you should remember one thing, that methodology and research method both are two different things. They both are two different things. कैसे? देखिए, two different things because mostly research methodology has been misinterpreted with the methods. Okay, methodology is overall theory, and how research should be done, it is discussed in every aspects of your research paper, starting from research question development. Okay, हर step में and going in order to collect the data, then processing information, and finally report writing. All these are the steps of your research methodology. All these are, and in short, identification, collection, and analysis. So that is what our research subject is, research methodology. Okay, and so in next class I'm going to explain you about how you can establish a very good research article or a very good research paper. So I think I'm able to make you all know about research methodology or the definition of research methodology. So in next class I will explain you about the research paper, how to write a research paper, how you can establish a very good research article. So for now, thank you.